Hi everybody. Today we are going to go check on a listing that I have on the market. It's been sitting for a little bit with very little activity. So we are going to give it a little market refresh here. And we're going to do some painting, tear out some carpets, change out some light fixtures. So just do some minimum work to see if we can't make it more appealing for the buyers that are looking today. So let's go check it out, see what the contractors have been up to. Wow, looks like the prep work has begun. So we are going to be painting the entire upstairs. We're gonna take these old icky carpets out, and underneath is some beautiful hardwood floors. So let's see, how's Rob doing today? Good, looks great. It's coming along.
Yes, it is.
Yes. All right, so in here we're just gonna paint the walls, the ceiling, cabinets are gonna stay the same. And then I think we've got a furnace guy tuning up the furnace downstairs, so we'll go check them out too. So this is just one of the things that we do for our clients when listing your property. So be sure to check back and see our finished product. It should be done here shortly.